guys, welcome back. Welcome to Upscale Detail. We got a lot going on today. It's raining cats and dogs outside currently. Luckily, we didn't have any cancellations because you know, we got a busy week. We like to keep it busy. But today, we're lucky enough to have 3 cars in the shop. I'll start out with the star of the show is this Mercedes 300S. It's a $1 million Mercedes. I think there's it's about 1 of 5 in the world, supposedly, I've been told. It's here for polish, and it's going to be for sale at some point, so we're kind of really just making her pretty, polishing her up, giving her a full detail, getting that chrome looking right. We got the good old Honda Odyssey over here. White, pretty easy color to make look nice. Pretty basic detail and polish. And of course, we got a nice C6 Vet here. Should be a pretty easy polish. Paint's looking pretty good. But once again, I'm glad they all showed up. We got a lot to do. We're excited to get going. And yeah, that's about it.
And something like that, and that's about it.
And something like that, and that's about it.
And something like that, and that's about it.
A lot to do, let's get it.
The best part about, you know, washing cars in the rain is, you know, you get a free shower. You don't even have to shower before work.
Hey guys, I'm here with this C6 Vet. Came in, not too scratchy. Just needs a kind of a light polish, light go over. We do have it up on the lift. It's going to be a wheels off detail and polish. Of course, the graphene juice is going to be going on at the end. But having it up on the lift will allow us to pull the wheels, get into the barrels, make sure they're more or less spotless. That's it. She's coming along great.
Record this on Friday, last Friday.
You surround yourself with all that and your little number. That's your family. It's that's our own choice, you know. It's what I'm doing.
Shorty, your babe, Mamacita, pretty out there. Nice to meet you.
Hey guys, it's Gerald here. We're in this Honda Odyssey. We're in a really deep clean right now because they obviously have some kids and there's some gunk in the seats and I gotta move them. All the seats, you wanna make sure that you move them out, pull them up, just get under where you can, you know what I mean? The seats move for a reason, so you wanna make sure that you get everything that you can, and the door jams, wherever it is dirty, you wanna get it clean. Being that they have kids, this car has a lot of food, dirt, whatever is on the floor mat. So you want to make sure that you get it really good, get the works, get it going, make it look good, like brand new, you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Scotty P, you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
I love the rain!
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known, and we'll chase.
Hey guys, we're with this C6 Corvette right here. I'm about to take these rims off and we're gonna get the calipers, the fender wells, the inner rim, so it looks really nice for when the customer picks it up.
Oh, we'll fly.
Probably bumped like, I don't know, 600 cars since I've been here. Okay, we're here with the C6 Corvette. It's panel prep time, and cleaning it off, getting it ready for the juice. The juice. The graphene, and we're just about there. She's just about ready to go.
So my weekend was, we went to Tampa and did some business stuff. We also had a little fun. It was a good trip. Didn't really do too much besides that, just catching up on all the sleep.
This weekend, hit the beach on Sunday, Saturday. I broke my motorcycle trying to fix it. That's about it. Tonight I'm going out to dinner. Good weekend overall.
Up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memories, lost in time, racing.
Like look at me and like, whoa.
We always wait for it.
No, it was there.
Peepaw power.
New merch coming soon, Peepaw Power.
How's it going? I'm Devin with DBJ Home Inspections. I'm here today to drop off some headlights that I took apart from my AMG Mercedes. Can't find an aftermarket set of headlights, so Brandon's gonna take care of these for me and paint them gloss black to black them out like everything else, clean up the lenses, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put them together. I use Brandon for all my detailing and ceramic coating. The graphene is the bomb, way better than the ceramic coating that we originally did. That new stuff is awesome. I've got it on all my vehicles, so this guy helps me out a lot. Really appreciate everything.
All right, guys, I'm here with the C6, and we're at the final stage, graphene coating. As I think you've heard in the past from us, very important to use water on the towel. It activates the graphene coating and helps it cross-link into the paint. But yeah, we're just about done, and she's about good to go.
What's going on, guys? Just wanted to share with you this Mercedes. It's a 300C. Don't know a whole lot about it, but I do know it is one of 5 in existence, and it's worth $1 million. So not very often do we get a car that is a 7-figure car. We do lots of 6-figure cars, but 7 is pretty unique experience for us here at the shop. And what we're doing with it is a full paint correction. To the best of our knowledge, this is original paint to the car. It's a full paint correction. It is going to get graphene coated, and we are doing everything, all the metal, all of the elements. We're enhancing them without changing that original finish to it, just to maintain the integrity of the car. We're going to refinish the white walls on the wheels, make those as perfect as possible, and just really go through this car slowly, methodically, getting it done right, making sure this thing looks just like it did in the 50s. So stay tuned for this. It'll be an ongoing project throughout the week, and can't wait to show you guys what it looks like. As it stands right now, the paint has been fully corrected. It'll get graphened either later today or early tomorrow, and should be going back to its owner on Friday.
For my final trick, I'm about to perform the sauce.
The sauce.
AKA and we're gonna apply the graphene coating to the Honda right now. This is the final step in the process of getting it coated and polished. So one of the most important steps in this process. Croissant. Croissant. And then you wanna go over here and croissant. Croissant. Easy.
Okay, guys, so I started this vlog today. Might as well finish it up. Speaking of finishing up, we're just about done with all these cars. We've got the C6 wrapped up, just kind of doing the final touches. Gerald over here is giving it a quick vac, doing the wipe down. Honda Odyssey's more or less done. Noah's just about killed that one. And the Mercedes 300S, not C, I believe. Still gonna be here for a while. She's a special patient, so we're gonna take good care of her. But That's about it.
And that's about it.
And that's about it.
And that's about it.
Well, another day down, and don't forget, comment down below, subscribe and like, and we will definitely see you on the next one.